Welcome to day 7 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing noticing breath and body together. I invite you now to find a posture that feels supportive for your practice. That would be a posture that allows you to remain both relaxed and also alert. You could be seated, lying down, or even standing up against a wall. And inviting you now to close your eyes, to bring your attention inward, or if you prefer, having your eyes just a quarter of the way open, gazing softly down to the floor in front of you. As you settle into your posture, arriving, arriving here and now in the body just as it is. Taking a slow breath in and letting it out. Let's do that 2 more times, breathing in through the nostrils, breathing out, and again breathing in and breathing out. In our practice today, we'll notice both breath and body together. Feel the sensation of your body sitting, noticing where the body is making contact, noticing that surface you're seated upon, or lying upon, or resting upon. And at the same time, noticing the gentle movement of breathing. Noticing how the breath fills the body. Letting the breath fill the body and letting this sensory experience of body fill the mind. The mind fully knowing this is the experience of the body sitting right now. These are the points of contact, and this is where the breath touches the body from the inside, expanding and contracting, arriving and staying. Finding home in the body and in the breath. And letting attention move naturally between breath and body. Not concentrating tightly, just noticing and allowing awareness to move naturally. The body breathing and the body resting. Everything already happening. This body making contact, this body breathing, and awareness noticing. Thank you for practicing with me on day 7 of our meditation challenge. And I hope that you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.